Fits perfect and works good on my 1992 Johnson 150 outboard jet. Quality, price, quick service. What else could you ask for, Frank? Glad this is available. Doesn't look like it's up to OEM quality, but it worked fine on a 1985 Evinrude 115. The steel housing for the impeller is noticeably thinner than stock. Wish it had a diagram of proper installation for various motors, but this is just nitpicking. Rebuild was pretty easy. The kit was complete and boat P's great now. Arrived nicely arranged in a sturdy box. Everything necessary was in the box, ready to put in the motor. Fast delivery. Would highly recommend. This repair kit was perfect for our Johnson outboard motor. My husband was pleased with the condition of the kit and installed it. The shipping was very fast. Product works great, has been on boat for several months now and have had no issues with cooling. Installation was easy and works great. Price was very affordable also. Great product.